Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:20 p.m. on April 22nd, 2021, Thursday. Pretty crazy news today, if you ask me. Definitely news flow is kicking, and it's probably going to be what I'm looking at going forward. So make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Yes, we had some big news from the president announcing a huge wealth tax on capital gains. So the markets, of course, are not going to like that. And here we go, right here. Look at the volume kick in, and it just flushed down. Nice pullback going to the short side, and then the flush back down. I did catch a piece of this. I got a couple pieces of this, and then I tried playing around with some chop and gave back. I don't know. I was up $150 on a couple moves, and I only made like $30 or something like that on the SPY. Today, I did okay. I started off really bad. MVIS was probably the most watched stock. And here you can see it going through 14. I tried going through 14 and it got flushed down. I was in a little heavier than I expected. I really wanted to kind of bounce back. I wasn't looking to get back my gains from yesterday's losses, but I went in with 1,000 shares and got flushed down pretty good. And of course, the time it does go through, it goes to like 93. That's the frustrating thing of trading, man. They know. It's like the algos know, like, okay, we're going to flush it down. We're going to flush it down. And then we're going to go. Now that we sucked everyone out, all the weak hands. And it's not like you want to guess me that far, but 280 is like 28 cents. So it's pretty good, right? So I probably shouldn't have held it that long, but I did. And right out of the gate, I was down between that and this SQ. I forgot what it was. It was on a Boeing trade or a Facebook trade. I forgot what it was, but I was down. Let me bring that up, actually. I hope you guys are doing well and trading well. And got some big news coming probably the next week or two. I'm not going to share that just this moment because I don't know if it's official yet. But it's not big news, but it's something I'm working with. And it might help you guys out in the future. I'm really testing it out. And I'll let you know. So here we go. Here's the MVIS moves down to 374 in the negative. I think I took a second move on that, maybe. That's why I went down. I was down 235, then I was down 371. I think I did take a second trade. But then I was fighting in fight back mode. So being in fight back mode for 370, I did reach a high of 153, which was all that SPY trading. And then this was the stupid SPY trading. And then I caught a couple news plays going this way. So my finish for the day 113 up. I'll take it from being I don't even remember, but that's like a $400 swing. So that's pretty nice. I'll take that. And this was just ridiculous. Square was kind of a news play, but I've yet to. Square is one of those stocks that screwed me in the way back when I was really getting going, and I was starting to get momentum. And Square, I took Square trades, and they kind of screwed me. And ever since then, I just don't like the name. I don't think I'm going to trade it going forward. It's a spready stock, tough trader, and it's just not worth it. WKey was a news play. Facebook was a news play. MO was a short on the news. Actually, the news I'm getting now is even better than Benzinga. That's part of the explanation in the future. Is that the news was announced here. I got the news here, and we had to digest it and be like, okay, is it going to go down? Because that news sounds terrible. Boom, and it just rips down. But I had a chance to get in. This was like that trade yesterday where I got the news early enough, like it wasn't moving because the news wasn't disseminate, right? Whatever. It just sat there, and then all of a sudden I was like, whew, big name. Altria, bad news on cigarettes, 47.03, and went down to like 46.24. And it was just a really nice news play. I didn't catch enough, though. Baba, I kind of made a move on a 2-minute play. Snap was at after hours, actually. I don't know where it's at now. It's up. Yeah, because the news was, I just figured today was a day you can sell off on every news play, and then it might bounce. Like Intel, it might be up now, but nope, it's down. But with all the bad news, like earnings are going to be okay or good, but going forward, who knows? You know, we had this crazy year of 2020, and I took a play on this, and I actually made a few bucks on 50 shares. So that was pretty good for 50 shares. Let's get back to my, where's my little window? Trade manager positions. Okay, here it is. Tesla, I actually took a short on some bad news. NPCE was a short on some, or long on some bad news. And by the way, have you noticed I said short? I'm shorting things now. So I'm in a whole different strategy of mind frame. I'm still taking my other plays I learned in 2020, but I got new strategies working. And, you know, I'm a long way from really getting them under control, but I'm keeping it in check. NKLA was news. Again, I was up like 150 on the SPY and gave back a bunch. Zoom was a nice, just kind of a candlestick play. mRNA was another candlestick play. And Boeing was my big player with a mix of both setups and a news play. So finished the day 113.50. I'll take it. After being down, I really think I can get a little bit more. And I got to say, I might be looking into options. I feel like, you know, the things I'm trading these days are really expensive. And with my buying power not being so great, I can get like contracts with less risk. And be in and out at the platform. Right now, I don't know if the platform's good enough on Tradestation for it, because you use this, this Option Station Pro. It seems like a web-based platform. So I got to talk to a couple people and figure out what they're doing and how I want to set it up. And I'm not ready to trade options because basically I'm just going to be buying calls and buying puts. I'm not going to be doing straddles and butterflies and whatever else. But I might get into it. I'm not too sure yet. It seems like you can get a little bit more bang for your buck and keep your risk a little bit lower if you're, scalping trades and things like that. So again, more in the future, nothing set in stone right now. And I will talk to you guys probably tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Have a good night.